Okay, multiplying fractions, you can cross cancel numbers other than 1. What does this look like? Okay, so we've got 2/3 times 2 over 4. So basically that's going to look like 2 times 3 over 3 times 4. You can cross cancel or cancel top and bottom. What does that look like? Looks like the 2 here and the 4 here could cancel. Basically, we're factoring out numbers. We can factor out a 2 here. That's a 1 that's left over. 2 into 4 goes 2 times. Notice I'm circling a 1 because I've had students, cancel out everything in the numerator and they're like, oh, there's nothing there. I'll put a 0. Good way to get a problem wrong. Okay, so I just put 1s as placeholders. Forgive me, it's an extra like half a second when you're doing your problem. Altogether, it'll take up like 16 seconds of your teenage life to do everything. So look, we got 3 up top, 3 in the bottom. Boom. 3 is the factor of 3 and 3. There's a 1 here and a 1 here. Basically, I'm multiplying these. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And that one's done. So it's easier to cross cancel than it is to actually multiply everything and then reduce the lowest terms. Let's see how this looks here. We've got 7 times 3 up top, the numerators, and then 15 times 49. I'm going to change colors so we can see things a little more clearly. 3 and 15. 3 is a factor of 3 and 15 across. Do you see that? So 3 into 3 goes 1 time. 3 into 15 goes 5 times. And then 7 and 49. Ooh, 7's a factor. So 7 factors out of 7 1 time. 7 factors out of 49 7 times. Again, I'm going to multiply what's left. The 1 times 1 is 1. Bottom, we got 5 times 7, 35. And that's our answer, 135 or 135th. Lastly, we've got 6 over 11 times 121 over 36 times 5 over 169 times 13 over 20. My goodness, this is pretty big, huh? Let's see what happens. So it's going to be 6 times 121 times 5 times 13 all over 11 times 36 times 169 times 20. I'm writing out the numbers, giving a little space because when we cancel, it's just going to look really busy when I start making some annotations here. So 6 and 36, both factorable by 6. That leaves us 1 here in the numerator, 6 here instead of 36. 11 and 21. Ooh, 11 squared is 121. So I'm going to say 11 is going to both. So that's going to be 1 here because 11 goes into 11 one time. 11 goes into 121 11 times here. 5 and 20. Ooh, that's going to be 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 20. I'm going to slash it there 4 times. We're left with 13, 169. Oh, looks like we got 13 as a factor of both of these. 13 goes into 13 once. 13 goes into 169 13 times. Now, what we have left over is a lot. It's like 1 times 11 times 1 times 1. Not too bad in the numerator. That's just going to be 11. On the bottom, man, it's 6 times 13 times 4. That's going to work out to be 24 times 13. I'm going to do the math over here. 24 times 13. Let's see, 3 times 4 is 12. Carry your 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 1, that's 7. And then 24. Oh, my gosh, doesn't even really fit. That's going to be 72 here, 0, 24. Okay, 2. 7 and 4 is 11. Carry 1. That's 3 through 12. 11 over 312. Cool. Done.